Hello, friends. Today we will discuss a topic of B.Ed Semester 2 concept and characteristics of teaching. Teaching is a purposeful, dynamic, and interactive process aimed at facilitating learning, shaping behavior, and fostering the holistic development of learners within social and cultural contexts. Teaching involves a systematic set of actions, strategies, and interactions designed to achieve specific learning objectives. It is not just about imparting information, but also about inspiring and guiding students to acquire knowledge, develop skills, and adapt to their environment. Modern teaching is centered on creating conditions that enable learners to think critically, solve problems, and evolve as responsible members of society. Expert definitions emphasize that teaching is a relationship, a form of guidance, a way to foster all round development, and a system intended to produce learning. Characteristics of teaching. Interactive process. Teaching is a two-way interaction between teacher and learners where both contribute to the process. Goal-oriented. Teaching process have clear objective and focus on desired learning outcomes. Art and science. Teaching involves creativity and intuition. Art, that is art, as well as systematic methods and assessment, that is science. Continuous process. Teaching is ongoing and adapts with changing needs, experiences, and social ideas. Social and cultural activity. It shapes individuals to become productive, adaptable members of society. Change oriented. Effective teaching aims to bring about a permanent and desirable change in learners' behavior and skills. Face to face encounter. It often involves direct interaction, although it can also occur in informal and mediated setups. Measurable and modifiable. The outcomes and effectiveness of teaching can be assessed and improved. Guidance and support. Teachers guide, support, and offer feedback to help learners progress. Professional skill. Teaching is a specialized task that requires skill, planning, and reflective practice. Diagnostic and remedial. Good teaching identifies learners' gaps and provides suitable interventions. Combination of formal and informal method. Teaching happens in structured classroom environments as well as through informal experiences. Teaching, therefore, is both a science and arts, grounded in social context and geared towards achieving purposeful development in learners. Thank you.